How to change location in Bumble. Want to explore matches in different city? Let's change your location on Bumble. Open Bumble app, tap the profile icon, tap the setting gear in the top right corner, scroll down until you find the location section. By default, Bumble uses your phone's GPS to show your current spot. If you have Bumble Premium, you can use the travel mode. Tap travel to, then type in the city you want, select it, and your profile will instantly show up in that location for 7 days. If you are using the free version, your location updates automatically whenever you open the app in a new place. So just keep location service enabled on your phone, and that's it. Your Bumble location is updated and now you can make matches whenever you want. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more quick tutorials. Catch you in the next one.